Hi Scorpio, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 28th of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see here is Six of Cups, Judgment card, and Nine of Wands. Person B here has Queen of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have the Strength card, which is Leo energy. This means that you will have to take a lot of courage and bravery, and you will have to deal with the situation very cautiously as well. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Six of Cups, which means that you have emotions for this person. Whenever you're alone, you recall the sweet memories that both of you had spent time with, and you want to just live those memories again. So you're trying to think, is there a possibility that you can rekindle this relationship? The second card I see for you is the Justice card. Now some of you may be dealing with a legal case, so you will get victory in that situation. And for the others of you with the Justice card, it means that if there was some kind of injustice that happened to you, then now is the time when karma will work and you will get justice in this situation. The third card that I see here is Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is the card which talks about exhaustion and stress. Okay, so there is something with which you are exhausted and stressed out. Now the second set of cards I see for person B, their first card is Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is a feminine energy where you want to receive love. Okay, you want to receive love, affection. You are in that receiving energy. The second card is Ace of Cups, which talks about a new beginning, which is based on emotions. And the third card is Knight of Pentacles, which is a very slow moving knight. Out of all the knights that we have, the Knight of Pentacles is the slowest moving knight because it walks very slow, and when it walks, you'll feel as if this person is not putting in that effort, but it's a very stable knight as well. Now with this, let's also see what is the intention of this person. So the first card that I see here is Hierophant, Seven of Swords, and Knight of Pentacles again. Now Hierophant is Taurus energy, which talks about marriage and commitment. There could be something with regards to marriage commitment that you both may be thinking of or discussing. Or in some cases, it could be that one person in this relationship is already married and committed somewhere else. The second card is the Seven of Swords. There could be some kind of deceiving, cheating that is happening behind your back. And the third card is Knight of Pentacles, which talks about a very slow moving energy. With this, let's see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck for all of you. So the message that I see is luck is on your side. That's a very positive sign, which means that luck is on your side. Good things will happen with you in the future. You just need to be a little more patient in this entire situation. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can also help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Sugilite. The crystal message is, are you experiencing repetitive thoughts or incessant mind chatter? Do you grab onto a thought, memory, or life experience and chew it over and over and over again? It is time to let go and release situations from your past, whether it was 5 minutes ago, 5 years ago, and find inner peace and true happiness. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.